So what's the best fertilizer for your garden? I get asked that a lot. And the answer is we don't use fertilizer here at Whirlwind Family Farm. Well, not technically. We use compost. And compost is a fairly new idea as you look out over our garden. It's a fairly new idea, but it's not new. Composting and putting compost over plants and gardens has been something that's been done for a long time, but it's kind of become trendy in the last 10 to 15 years. And now we're starting to understand better why it's such a good practice. So compost, here at Whirlwind Family Farm, that's our method. And why do we do it? So our compost, we usually get a shipment in early February. It takes about 13 yards for this particular garden. In your setting, of course, you can buy far less. We like to use a fully organic. It's shipped in for us about 80 miles away. We have all the numbers on it, so it shows us all the nutrients that are in there. This is a fully plant-based compost, so there's no animal waste. Not that that's all bad. That's just something we prefer on our farm, to go with a plant-based compost. And it really does do a good job. And we have confidence in the fact that it is organic certified. Now, in our initial application, and you can do this on your gardens, a smaller setting, is we put down what we call a lasagna level. It's a very thick 2 to 3 inch level of compost. When this farm was set up, it takes about 7 to 8 5-gallon buckets. This is a 50-foot bed, 36 inches wide, so you can see how thick I'm putting that down initially. And that gets that good organic layer of material that's there for those microorganisms to start to break down. And that's exactly what we do in this setting. With these organic no-till farms, we're putting down not just fertilizer, but it is a level of compost that goes to those microorganisms, which they in turn break down the nutrients, which then makes it easy for those plants to have an uptake, which fertilizes them or gives them the nutrients they need to flourish. So as you look across our farm, and you can do the same thing in this small setting in your backyard, is set up these beds with a good layer of fully organic compost, which you can find a lot of different retailers. The results speak for themselves. When you look at our farm, our market garden now, you can see the results of that compost and those nutrients getting down to those roots and have a nice uptake for those plants. So that's how we set up our beds with the compost, and you can certainly see the results. So those are our methods for putting down compost or fertilizer. Simple stuff. And really that's what we try to do here on this channel of Whirlwind Family Farm, is to simplify gardening as easy as possible. Because as I always like to say, it's not that difficult. We have water, we have compost, we have sunshine and seeds, and you're kind of on your way. So we hope you get something out of this. We hope that it's a motivation to start gardening. We hope it's a motivation to take, if you're already gardening, to take it to the next level. And our goal with this channel is to bring you something new and something that will inform you to be motivated and go the next level. So if you appreciate it, we hope you will like this, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, because we want to continue to bring you good content. We've got another video, I think it's down in this corner, which will take you further along in your gardening process. Thanks again from Whirlwind Family Farm. Blessings over you, your family, your harvest. Talk to you soon.